Hello everyone, my name is Kazuto Yamaki, CEO of Sigma Corporation. Today, we are announcing a brand new lens, the Sigma 10-18mm F2.8 DC DN Contemporary. I'd like to take this opportunity to briefly introduce you to this amazingly compact and lightweight lens. We strongly believe that photography can contribute to human happiness. In fact, it is often in life's happiest moment that we take photos. We ourselves believe that we can contribute to your happiest moment by delivering a truly valuable product. For us, a lens with true value is the one that has great image quality, superb build quality, a beautiful design, and at a reasonable price. In order to achieve it, we invest heavily in technology and manufacture all our products in Japan, while our company keeps simple and small. We are confident that a product we are announcing today will be such one product. Today, full-frame cameras are popular among professional photographers and photo enthusiasts. However, as technology has evolved, many people are now aware that APS-C camera can also produce images of high quality. While full-frame cameras are superior in terms of image quality, they tend to be larger and heavier, both in terms of camera and lens size. If you want to enjoy your photography by taking your camera out more often and taking pictures in more situations, then APS-C camera may be the best choice. We believe that the new 10-18mm F2.8 DC DN Contemporary, which is designed for APS camera, is the perfect ultra-compact wide-angle zoom lens to carry with it. Here's our 18-50 F2.8 DC DN Contemporary, which is designed for APS-C size mirrorless cameras. It's an f2.8 large aperture zoom lens, but very compact and lightweight, while achieving very high optical performance. Combining high optical performance and compact design, this lens falls perfectly into our contemporary line concept. The new 10-18mm F2.8 DC DN Contemporary has been developed to be paired with 18-50 F2.8 DC DN. In fact, it's smaller and lighter than 18-50 F2.8 DC DN. In L mount, the lens weighs just 260 grams and has a length of 62 millimeters and maximum diameter of 72.2 millimeters. It's the smallest and lightest large aperture wide-angle zoom lens on the market today. Sigma's state-of-the-art technology, such as glass molding aspect elements, FLD and SLD elements, contribute a lot to achieve such a compact size, together with an excellent optical performance. The lens fits well with compact APS-C mirrorless cameras from Sony and Fujifilm. The Sigma FPL is a full-frame mirrorless camera, but thanks to its super compact size and high-resolution sensor, it's well-suited with this lens, and you can enjoy the lens high quality in APS-C crop mode, which is still more than 25 megapixels of resolution. This lens is ideal for landscape, travel, mountain climbing, street photography in crowded cities, and other photographic situations where you want to enjoy photography with lightweight equipment. Furthermore, it is an ideal lens for day-to-day shooting, as it can easily be carried around all day. The compact and lightweight design makes this lens perfect for video shooting. As focus breathing is well controlled, you can also enjoy smooth and unintrusive autofocusing while shooting video. Excellent build quality is what we pride ourselves on. Even in the case of compact lens in our contemporary line, we never compromise on build quality. I hope you enjoyed my brief introduction to our new 10-18mm F2.8 DC DN Contemporary, which is designed for APS-C size sensor mirrorless cameras. This lens will be available in L mount, Sony E mount, and Fujifilm X mount. For more detail and technical specifications, please visit our website, sigmaglobal.com. Thank you very much for watching.